Welcome to Seals on the Move. I'm Alex Seals.
And I'm Rosie Seals.
We're taking a trip to Mexico without leaving the state of Florida. We're giving you a full ride through of Gran Fiesta Tour starring the Three Caballeros. This ride replaced El Rio del Tiempo, which means the River of Time, and was a telling of the history of Mexico. My favorite element from the original ride was kept, which is the fireworks at the conclusion. Stay tuned to the end for our opinion on the ride. So let's get a move on with Seals on the Move. Coco. We're here in the pyramid in Mexico, and we're ready to ride the Three Caballeros ride, the boat ride through the history of Mexico. It's so beautiful down here. I've always liked this, at least since high school. Out of the Three Caballeros, only one is Mexican. Donald Duck is American, Jose is Brazilian, and Panchito, the red bird, is Mexican. The boat vehicles can handle 16 passengers.
Number one.
Thank you. Row number one. Awesome.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado.
Bienvenidos. For your safety,
No, we shouldn't. There's no bar or anything.
Bienvenidos. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado.
Over there. Everybody eating their dinners. We're going into the unknown. Like Olmec from Legends of the Hidden Temple. Sounds like R2-D2.
me. Who's here? Hey, goodbye. Excuse me, where?
This was what I always loved about the original, the fireworks. I'm glad they kept that.
Caballeros, tricky caballeros, they say we are birds of a feather. We're happy amigos, no matter where he goes. The 1, 2, and 3 goes, we're always together. Oh, we have the stars to guide us. It has been desire to play as we go.
Back up here. Turn into bumper boats. Oh, the giant lobster. Crazy octopus. I like the porcupine. Kind of like the kiddos. Skeledog and Skelecat. So that was like based on the original Three Caballeros movie, not the Three Caballeros from DuckTales, which they were my favorite Three Caballeros. And then there was also the Three Caballeros show. What was it? The Adventures of the Three Caballeros or The Legend of the Three Caballeros. And both of those were pretty good. I did not like the movie, but that was good. So it all works out. It was cool to see them in animatronic form.
What do you give the ride?
I give it a, let's see, out of 10, I give it a 8. An 8 out of 10. What about you?
I would say probably about an 8 or 9.
Okay, good. That's high praise coming from Rosie.
I am very, very critical when it comes to rating stuff like that. Food, restaurants, all kinds of things. I'm just very critical, and I don't know if it's a fault, but so that's really good that I love it.
She's not highly critical of me, so that's a good thing.
We hope you enjoyed this episode. What is your favorite iteration of the Three Caballeros characters? Let us know in the comments. If you like this video, give us a pulgaris up, Spanish for thumbs. Share this video with those who you consider birds of a feather, subscribe so that you don't miss future adventures, and strike the bell to be notified when videos upload. If you would like to support us, our Patreon link is in the description. As always, thanks for watching and supporting.